evening, Panchami.
Good evening, ma'am.
We'll wait 5 more minutes. Panchami, did you practice the homework sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm able to hear.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. What is the answer for second one? Square root of 3136.
Ma'am, 56.
56. Good. And what is okay, I have not given HCF sums, right? I didn't teach you HCF and LCM, no?
Yes, ma'am.
I taught you or not?
No, ma'am, you didn't.
Okay. Okay. You know palindromes in square root chapter? Palindrome.
Ma'am, I was not able to hear.
You're not able to hear?
No, ma'am.
Now?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Okay. You know about palindromes?
Ma'am, polynomial.
Palindromes. It was in square root chapter. Yes, sir, no? You don't know about it? Okay. I'll give you an example. For example, I. What is the spelling for I? E, Y, E. If you read from right to left or left to right, okay? See E, Y, E. And if you start from here, E, Y, E. Okay. So these words are nothing but palindromes. So like that, can you give another example? I'll give one more example, level, right? L-E, see, L-E, V-E, V-E-L, L-E-V-E-L, L-E-V-E-L. Okay, if you read from right to left or left to right, what? The word is, we get the same word. Okay, that is nothing but palindromes.
Yes, ma'am, I remember this.
Yeah, okay. Can you give another example for this?
Yes, ma'am, deed. D-E-E-D.
Okay.
And many examples are there.
And I'll give you a clue. There is language.
Okay,
Which language? Huh?
A rotator.
Rotator.
Rotator. R-O-T-A-T-O-R.
T-I or T-O?
Ma'am, T-A. T-A-T-O-R.
Okay. Okay. And one more language is there. That is Malayalam. You know that? Malayalam.
Yes, ma'am.
See, if you read from the from right to left, it is see ma, la, ya, la, Malayalam. Okay, so these are called palindromes. Okay, I think still already it is 5:10. Okay, I'll teach you HCF and LCF. HCF and LCM. You know what is HCF? It is
Highest common
factor, and LCM is
lowest common multiple.
least common or lowest common multiple. Already you know factors and multiples. Okay, I'll give an example. 12 and 16. Will you find HCF for 12 and 16? So we can find HCF by many methods right now. We can find by prime factorization method or long division method or by listing the factors right now. So by listing the factors means how will we find? Write the factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So what do we do next? We have to mark common factors right now. 2, 4 is common factor. That's it. There are only 2 common factors. So and what is HCF? We have to take highest common factor. We have 2 common factors. Yes, HCF is 4. We have 2 common factors here, 2 and 4 right now. But which is highest? 4. So HCF is 4. Highest common factor. That means 12 and 16 are both divisible by 4. The highest number is 4. And what is LCM? See, and one more thing. LCM.
Ma'am, I think LCM is 48.
14. Okay, very good. So we have to take prime numbers. 2 6 are 12, 8, and 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Again, 3 is not divisible, so write as it is. 2 2s are right now. Next, divided by. If it is not divisible, you can keep as it is. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. What did you say? 40?
Ma'am, 48.
Yes, very good. So this is LCM. And you know the relation between a HCF and LCM? Already you have studied in previous classes. The relation between HCF, LCM and given 2 numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the relation? What is the relation? HCF into LCM is equal to? Okay,
Product of 2 numbers.
Yes, very good. Product of 2 given numbers right now. So here now we got HCF. HCF was 2 right now. Sorry, 4. HCF was 4 and LCM 48. What were the numbers? 12 and 16 were the numbers right now. So let us verify the relation. So HCF is 4. I will substitute 4 here. So in place of LCM, I am going to write 48 is equal to A into B. Which are A, B? Given numbers. Okay. That is 12 into 16. So 4 into 48.
Ma'am, 192.
192 and 72. 12 plus 7 is 192. See, LHS is equal to RHS. Right now? So this is the way of verifying the relation between HCF and LCM. And next we'll start algebra. So algebra is branch of mathematics, right? No. So what do we study in algebra? About
Variables and
about
ma'am,
variables, constants, right? No. Yes. Okay. So first, what is constant?
ma'am, which has a fixed value.
Which has fixed value. For example, 1, 10, right? No. So these numbers are having fixed value, definite value. So that's why they are called constants. And variables are nothing but we use English alphabets, right? No. So A, B, C, R. You can use any letter X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. You can use any alphabet. So these symbols do not have fixed or definite value, right? Now you can assign any value for that. For example, see if you take a rectangle, see this is length and this is breadth, length and breadth. So here I will say L is equal to 10 centimeter, right now. So for another rectangle, I'll say L is equal to 5 centimeter, right now. Here L is equal to 10, here L is equal to 5. Like that, they do not have fixed or definite value. You can assign any value for that. That's why these are called variables. And the combination of variable and the constant. What is 4x here? What is 4x called? What is it? Algebraic? What is this, Panchami? 4x is what?
Ma'am, algebraic expression.
That is not expression. We are only 4x, no? 4x or 5xy term, right? No? Combination of constant and the variable, that is called term. Okay. See, if you use mathematical operations like plus 5y minus 3z, right now. So what is this? This is an expression. Understood? So this is term and this is expression. So based on the number of terms, we classify the algebraic expression as, you know, which are the types?
Yes, ma'am, 3 types.
Which if there is only one term, it is called
Monoatom.
Monomials.
Monomial.
So if there is only one term in the expression, for example 4x or 5a or 3z, right now. So this is monomial. And the second type is
Binomial.
binomial. So how many terms will be there?
Ma'am, 2 terms.
Okay, can you give example?
Ma'am, 2x plus 3y.
2x plus 3y, very good. And I'll give another example, 2x into 3y. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it right? 2x into 3y. Okay, I'll write one more. 2x divided by 3y. Is it monomial or binomial?
Ma'am, I think it's a monomial.
Why?
Because only plus and minus.
Yes, very good. That's why I asked you. Okay. So 2x into 3y. See, now it becomes single term, right? No? So you can multiply this and 2x divided by 3y. Here also it becomes single term, right? No? So only plus and minus sign. Say 2x minus 3y. Only plus and minus sign separate the terms. Good. And the third one is trinomial. Tri is nothing but 3 terms. So a plus b plus c are x plus y minus z. So these are all trinomials. Okay. So if there are 2 or more than terms, generally we call it as
Polynomials.
Polynomials. Good. 2 or more than 2. Okay, I'll give you, I think already you have learned everything. I'll give you sums. Just you solve and tell me the answers, okay? 2x square (5x square) minus 7x minus 8. Yes. Add them and tell me the answer, Panchami.
Ma'am, 7x square minus 4x minus 3.
Very good. Yes. You know why it is minus 4 and minus 3 right now? Big number has minus sign. That's why it is minus. Very good. I'll give you subtraction sum. Subtract 3a square minus 5a plus 6 from 6a square plus 7a minus 13. Yes. Subtract that.
Ma'am, 3a plus 2a minus 19.
Very good. So you have to, I'll take this as it is. Minus 3a square minus 5a plus 6. So you know the rule in subtraction right now. We have to change the signs of the lower terms right now. So here it is plus 3. It becomes minus. Here we have minus sign. It becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. Okay. We have to change the signs of the lower terms. And it is plus 6 minus 3 is 3a square. Both are positive number. So 7 plus 5 is 12a. Minus minus, we have to add the numbers, but minus as it is. Very good. And the next multiplication, minus 6x square yz into 3xy cube. Find the product and tell me.
Ma'am, 18x cube by 4 in the power and z.
Sorry, y to the power of?
Ma'am, y to the power of 4.
And z. That's it. What about this minus?
Yes, ma'am, minus 18.
Yes, minus 18. Okay, minus first you have to multiply the signs and then the numbers and followed by the variables. Okay. And you know the rule right now for a to the power of m into a to the power of, when the bases are same, then only you have to add the powers, right? So a to the power of m plus n. Next, 21 m square n cube divided by 3mn square. Yes.
Ma'am, 63 m cube n to the power of 5.
You are dividing, right? How will you get 63?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. 7 m. Okay, 7
So,
m cube and n to the power of 5.
okay. Okay, fine. But it is wrong, Panchami. You are dividing, no? See, while multiplying, if it is m square into m, right now we are multiplying here. So bases are same, mm. So you will add the powers. That becomes m to the power of 3. Correct? Huh? But here you are dividing m square by m. That means here it will be cancelled. Okay. Or you can use the formula. If you take m to the power of 1 to numerator, it becomes -1. So it becomes 1. Or you can cancel directly square and 1 gets cancelled. Remaining is m. And here you have n cube, no? So how will you write n cube? N into n into n. Correct? Huh? Next, n square is n into n. So n gets cancelled. Another n gets cancelled. The remainder is n. So what is the answer? 7mn. Got it?
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
explain. Huh. So you know this rule, a to the power of loss of exponents, no? A to the power of m into a to the power of n. Bases are same and we are multiplying here. Okay. So this rule is only for multiplication. When the bases are same, if you are doing multiplication, you should add the powers, that is m plus n. Okay. If it is a to the power of 5 into a to the power of 3, what will you do? A to the power of 5 plus 3 is 8. Suppose you are dividing a to the power of m by a to the power of n. That is equal to in multiplication, we are adding the powers. In division, we'll subtract the powers. Okay. M. Here also bases are same. So m minus n. I'll give an example. A to the power of 5 divided by a square. Right? Now it is, what is the answer here? A to the power of?
3.
Yes, 5 minus 3. If you take a square to numerator, it becomes a to the power of -2. Okay. For example, 1 by a square. See, if you want to take a square to numerator, it becomes a to the power of -2. Suppose if there is a to the power of -2, okay, if you want to make the exponent positive, so what we have to do? 1 by, bring it into the denominator. Got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. And what is the value of a to the power of 0? If the power is 0, what is the value?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Very good. And you know linear equations, right? Now, what do you mean by linear equations?
Ma'am, an equation which has the degree as 1.
Yes, 1. Can you give an example?
Ma'am, 3x plus 2.
3x plus 2 is equal to 10, whatever. Okay. So, you know how to transpose the numbers from right, LHS to right hand side and right hand side to left hand side?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give an example. X plus 2 is equal to 10. What is the value of x here? x is equal to?
Ma'am, 8.
Yes. Okay. Here we have 10, write as it is, and take this plus 2 to right hand side. So it is plus 2, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. You know all these rules. X is equal to 8. Suppose if it is x minus 2 is equal to 10, then it becomes minus 2 becomes plus 2. So it is 12. And I'll give you another one. 2x is equal to 10. What is the value of x here?
Ma'am, 5.
Yes. Okay. So here there is no plus or minus symbol between the constant and the variable. Right now, which sign is there?
Ma'am,
Which
what?
sign is which sign is there between the constant and the
Multiple
variable?
sign.
Yes. Okay, multiplication sign. So here we have to divide the number. If it is in numerator, it comes to denominator. So that is 5. If it is x by 2 is equal to 10, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 20.
20. See, here we are dividing. If you transpose to right hand side, see it is in denominator, it goes to numerator. 10 into 2, that is equal to 20. Very good. Then you know the multiplication of binomials. 2x plus 6 into 5x minus 8. Will you do the sum, Panchami? You can?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you getting, Panchami?
Sorry,
Panchami?
ma'am. Internet got disconnected. Sir.
Okay. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
10x minus 16. 1 second, ma'am. I forgot.
Okay. Shall I explain the sum? Okay, I will explain the sum. Listen, Panchami.
34x minus 48.
Okay, what is the first term? Listen here. Here we are multiplying from 2x right now. So inside the bracket, we have 5x minus 8. We have to multiply from 2x, right? 2x into 5x. What is 2x into 5x?
Ma'am, 10x.
No. Is it
Oh,
only 10x?
Okay.
X
10x.
into x into x is?
10x square.
Yes, okay, don't confuse 10 x square. So plus into minus is minus 2x into 8 is 16x plus into plus is plus 6 5s are 30x minus 48. So 10x square 30 minus 16, right? It is big number has plus sign, so it is plus 14x minus 48. So this is how to multiply the binomials. Okay, and I'll give one more one more sum. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 10. How will you solve this? Just tell me, I will write on the board. So in left hand side, we have x minus 1 by 2. Right hand side, we have 7 by 10. What is the first step?
Ma'am, it will become when minus 1 by 2 transports to other side, it
Yes,
will become plus 1 by 2.
very good. Plus 1 by 2. Very good. What is next?
And we have to find the LCM.
LCM for the denominator. What is LCM for 2, 1, 10, 2 ones, 2 5s, right now? So 10 is LCM. Okay, what will you write next? Hello, Panchami. What is next? Okay, here the LCM is 10 right now. So in first fraction already we have 10. So we can write 7 in 1 into 7 is 7. Here in second fraction we have 2 in denominator. To make it 10, we have to multiply by 5 right now. So into 5 into 5, 5 into that is 5 is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12 by 10. If you want to keep the answer in simplest form, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. So 6 by 5 is the answer.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Panchami. What happened?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Suddenly I got disconnected.
Okay, you
Ma'am,
are using mobile or system?
system, ma'am. That.
Okay. Okay, you got the answer right for the previous one. Okay, okay. Here x plus 3 by 2 is equal to x minus 4 by 3. What will you do now? How will you shift the terms? Panchami?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not able to hear you.
Not able. Now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Panchami?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can hear you.
Okay. So here I have given you x plus 3 by 2 is equal to x minus 4 by 3. So what is the first step here?
Ma'am, I think we have to.
Yes. Yeah, tell me whatever you know. Tell me. We have to do? Yes, see here. If there is, say, x plus 3 whole divided by 2. This is like one fraction. This is like one fraction right now. See now what I will do. I will take this 3 to numerator and send this 2 to numerator right hand side. Okay. So I will write this as 3. Here we have two terms right now, x plus 3. So that's why I'm using brackets. X plus 3 is equal to, how will you write here? 2 into x minus 4. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You got it? Yes. Okay. So like this, you have to do cross multiplication. So 3 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into x minus 4. Now multiply by 3. 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 3 is 9 is equal to 2x minus 8. Now write this 3x as it is. Take this 2x to left hand side. It becomes minus 2x and it becomes minus 9 minus 8. So 3x minus 2x is x, minus 9 and minus 8 is minus 17. Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. You know factorization?
Yes, ma'am.
How to find the factors of the given expression. Okay, I'll give you one sum. X
By
square.
middle term splitting.
Yes, yes, splitting the middle term. Yes. 3x minus 10. Okay. Yes, is equal to 0. Shall I explain? Will you do or shall I explain?
Ma'am, I will do.
Okay, very good. Good, Panchami. You have remembered everything. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. The factors are x plus 2 and x minus 5.
Very good. X minus 5 and x plus 2. Very good. Yes. I'll give one more sum on this. 2x square plus x minus 6.
Ma'am, the factors are 2x minus 3 and x plus 2.
Very good. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. See, how can you write this? 2x is equal to becomes plus 3. So x is equal to factors s minus 2. Very good. And we quickly revise polynomials. Okay. So you know the definition for polynomials? Says you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
two or than terms, it is a polynomial, right now. And there are two conditions. What are the two conditions? It is about powers. The power should not be what? Panchami. Power should not be what? For polynomials. Negative or? Are you there? Fraction. Okay. So power should not be negative or fraction.
Ma'am, not able to hear.
Now, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am.
I think you have network issue, Panchami. Now, can you hear me?
Now I can hear.
Okay. So power should not be negative or fraction. Okay. It should not be like x to the power of minus 2 like that. Okay. And also fraction. It should not be negative number as well as fraction.
Fraction.
Fraction. And you know what do you mean by degree right now? So the power is nothing but degree. The highest
Power
power.
of the polynomial.
If the degree is 1, it is called which polynomial?
Linear polynomial.
Linear polynomial. So degree is 1.
1.
Say if the degree is 2, then it is called which polynomial?
I forgot.
X square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, it's okay. Quadratic polynomial. You know quadratic equation right now? So if
Yes,
the
ma'am.
power is 2, then it is called quadratic. Quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. Okay. If the degree is 3, what do we say for 3? Cubic
Polynomial.
polynomial. Okay. If the degree is 0, then it is called
Constant.
constant Very good. Okay. So this is about the types of polynomials. And next we'll go to the zero of the polynomial. You know zero of the polynomial.
Yes, ma'am.
For example, P of x is equal to x plus 5. So x plus 5 is the polynomial. P is nothing but polynomial. So which value makes the given polynomial 0? That is
Ma'am,
called zero of the... Sorry?
minus.
Yes,
Minus.
very good. Minus 5 is the answer. That is called 0 of the polynomial. So what do we do first? Let x plus 5 is equal to 0 right now. So x is equal to 5. If you write minus 5 in place of x, then it becomes 0. That is called 0 of the polynomial. And you know to find the values of the polynomial right now. So for example, P of x is equal to 4x minus 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Suppose you are substituting minus 1 in place of x. Tell me, Panchami. Don't
Yes.
write in the book, just you tell me, okay? 5 into...
5 into in bracket minus 1.
Very good. Minus 1 minus 4
Minus
into... Whenever we have minus sign, we have to use bracket right now. Good. Minus 1 square plus 3.
3.
What is 5 into minus 1?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Write this minus as it is. So here it is minus 1 square becomes... Minus into
4.
minus becomes plus. So it is 4 plus 3. So
But
minus
the
5.
sign will change, I think, ma'am. The minus minus.
Sorry,
Ma'am, the sign will change, I think.
here
Minus.
minus into minus plus Santana. But here we are taking square, no, minus 1 square.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
confuse. Here it is minus 1 square. Here you have only minus 1. So we have written 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Here 4 into minus 1 square. That's why I did here minus 1 into minus 1. Minus minus becomes plus 1. Okay. So 4 into, now minus 4 into 1 right now. So it is minus 4 plus 3. So did you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It will be minus.
Minus 6. Okay. So, and in the next class, I'll teach you identities. Okay. In algebra.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
I
So
think
solve that problem, ma'am. Then.
it's okay. No problem. It happens. I know that. No problem. But okay. You're good. I'm happy about you. You have remembered everything. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I've learned all this because already the lesson have been started in the school.
Okay.
But
Which lesson are they doing? First
my
lesson
ma'am, linear equation, second.
for first chapter is linear equations. Huh?
Oh no, ma'am. The first chapters are real
No,
numbers.
no, no, no. Okay, real number. They started linear equations.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, first week we'll give revision. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Pata. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
We'll
ma'am.
wind up the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome back.